So I found these on the old Amazon. They are pretty nice so far. Mine are, this pen is completely gone, so I'm going to replace them now. You can see there how worn out that one is, and it's pretty much at the end of the adjustment. I'm not too worried about getting that. That one can break off in there. This one, that one hopefully will come out, but we'll have to see. Oh, very nice. Knock that one out. Awesome. I'm gonna pull the other side. So that went pretty well. This goes this way. That makes sense. Other side. That holds a bit better. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. Shiny. Both on there. No more rattly gate. I'm excited for that. Need a new license plate frame. That's better. See y'all at Powerland.